Setting up for hundreds prep, we want an imprinted spine with our tailbone on the ground. You're going to engage the T-zone as you inhale, lift one leg, exhale, lift the other to tabletop. Then from there, placing the arms right in front of you, we're going to inhale T-zone, exhale, curl, and extend the legs to the ceiling. Inhale, return, exhale, curl and extend. Inhale, return, exhale, curl and extend. Now, as you continue on with this movement, you want to make sure that your T-zone is still engaged, you're still maintaining an imprinted spine, that tailbone should still be on the ground, and you're just tightening through the ribs there. If you're having trouble maintaining T-zone or an imprinted spine, you can keep one foot on the ground as you extend and return to tabletop one leg. What we don't want to see is our tailbone lifting off the floor. You'll see that the pelvic position shifts so that your legs come closer towards you, and it'll actually cause you to dome the belly outwards rather than pulling pressure in. Instead, we only want to extend as far as we can still maintain that imprinted spine, still maintain the T-zone, and only curling up as far as we are just tightening through the ribs and moving with the breath. So it's inhale and then exhale, inhale and exhale.